Good morning children, welcome to Narayana live classes. Today we have the concept on comets and asteroids. Comets and asteroids. What are comets, what are asteroids, you already learned. We again try to recapitulate the topic. Comets is what you can say, sometimes we can see in the naked eyes when it just falls on the ground. It is not actually falling on the ground, it is in the space only, but we can see from the earth a star is just falling down and you can see a tail sort of type. You can see here, okay, it is just a star and it is just looking like a tail here. These all are called as comets. Comets are like a icy dust particles. It is frozen. It is completely frozen, like your ice cubes are frozen in your fridge, right? It is just like frozen. But when it goes near to the star, what is star? A sun. When this comets goes near to the sun, it melts some gases. When it melts some gases, it looks like a tail. It looks like a tail, okay. You know, when you go in a vehicle, some gases comes from your backside of the vehicle, right. You can call that like a tail. The same way, when the frozen ice and dust particles melts, you will see like a tail, and we can see from the earth that sort of, it just like call as, we can call, sometimes people call as a star which is just falling on the earth, okay, but it is not actually falling on the earth. Okay. Now coming to another topic, asteroids. Asteroids also called as planetoids. It is also called as planetoids. It is like a planetary heavy body. Okay. It is a, you know, you might have seen so many cartoons, so many science fiction movies, or you might have seen Avengers and all these movies. People stay in the space and they try to protect the earth, and any planetoids come or asteroid comes, they try to break the planetoids so that it is not going to hit our planet. What is our planet? Earth. Okay. Mostly planetoids you can observe in Jupiter and Mars. In between the orbit of Jupiter and Mars, you can see this sort of planetoids of very heavy bodies, heavenly bodies. Planetoids is called heavenly bodies. Mostly you can see in between Jupiter and Mars. Is it clear? So this is the concept. I hope you understand the concept of comets and asteroids. Let us see whether you can complete this paragraph. What the paragraph is saying here? Comets are lumps of dash and dash. I just say comets are lumps of ice and what? Ice and dusty particles, right. So, what you call as ice and dust. Comets are of ice and dust as they travel round the dash and approach near some. Where comets travels near to the sun, okay. As they travel around the sun, you can write sun or star, your wish, okay. As they travel around the sun and approach near some of the frozen, what? I said frozen gases, evaporates, creating dash, creating what? I just said tail, creating tail. Okay, let me just write more clearly for you. Okay, let me read again for you people. Comets are lumps of ice and dust as they travel round the sun and approach near some of the frozen gases, evaporates, creating a tail, which can be seen from where? From the earth. This is all about the comets. Coming to asteroids. Asteroids are small planetary body. We are saying small because it is not so, sometimes it is so bigger than the earth, sometimes it is smaller than the earth. Okay. It is a huge, actually it is a huge planetary bodies, but here we are saying that asteroids are small planetary bodies. It will be bigger and smaller, depends upon the what you can say fluctuations and fluctuations there. So, asteroids are small planetary bodies seen mostly between the orbits of Jupiter and Mars. And Jupiter. Okay. asteroid sometimes is bigger than the earth. You know, we will say that that will be the end of the earth when it hits the earth. Sometimes it's very smaller, you don't have a particular size and shape for the asteroids. Okay. So, now I hope comets and asteroids is clear for you, the topic. If you just see this picture, it is very clear. These are the comets. When it frozen, when the frozen gases melts, a gas release. Okay. It just look like a tail. Okay. These are the comets. Now, coming to asteroids, asteroids mostly exist in between the Mars and Jupiter orbit. I hope this concept is clear for you, children. Read the lesson, make sure you are making a habit of reading the textbook again and again. Thank you, children. Thanks a lot.